If you're a creator looking to level up your photography or filmmaking, the 2025 lineup of mirrorless cameras is full of innovation, speed, and stunning image quality. Here's a closer look at the top contenders that are dominating the scene right now. The Nikon Z6 III stands out with its powerful new sensor and internal 6K/60p RAW video recording, perfect for hybrid shooters. It features a next-gen autofocus system with deep learning subject recognition, making it highly reliable in dynamic environments. The camera also sports dual card slots, a high-res EVF, and a tough weather-sealed body. Whether you're a filmmaker, event shooter, or all-round creator, the Z6 III offers top-tier performance at a mid-range price. Canon EOS R5 Mark II. An evolution of Canon's iconic R5, the Mark II introduces enhanced heat management for longer 8K and 4K recording sessions, an improved stacked CMOS sensor for faster readout, and even better subject detection via AI-powered autofocus. It retains the stunning 45-megapixel full-frame sensor and class-leading image stabilization. If you're a wedding photographer, commercial creative, or YouTuber looking for premium performance and reliability, this camera delivers. Sony Alpha 9 III. Sony's A9 III is a flagship for speed-focused professionals. The breakthrough 24.6-megapixel global shutter sensor eliminates rolling shutter completely and allows for 120 frames per second blackout-free continuous shooting, ideal for sports and wildlife. With industry-leading real-time tracking autofocus, dual card slots, pro connectivity, LAN, USB-C, HDMI, and a rugged, compact chassis, it's designed for serious pros who need high output and precision every time. OM System. OM3 Plus 12 to 45mm lens, kit compact but tough. The OM3 brings micro four thirds versatility into 2025 with computational photography features like Live ND and Pro Capture. The in-body stabilization offers up to 7.5 stops, excellent for handheld shooting. It comes with a high-quality 12 to 45mm A4 Pro lens, giving users a sharp and versatile zoom range. It's a dream kit for hikers, journalists, and anyone who needs pro-level portability. Fujifilm X-T50 plus 15 to 45mm lens, kit stylish and powerful. The X-T50 packs a punch with the latest X Processor 5-axis IBIS, and Fujifilm's beloved film simulation modes. You'll enjoy fast autofocus, crisp 26-megapixel stills, and rich 4K video in a compact retro body. The included XC 15 to 45mm lens is perfect for daily use, and it's a great entry point for photographers who want to get creative with color, tone, and storytelling. From the blazing fast Sony A9 III to the all-around powerhouse Nikon Z6 III, 2025's mirrorless camera market has something for every shooter. Which one fits your creative style? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals.